Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is today, it's 1:45, Sunday the 14th of August, and we're going through a bit of a drought here in the UK. We're talking about down south, we've got the hosepipe bans already in place, and talking about next between 1 and 2 weeks, if we don't get any substantial rain here, we're also going to get some hosepipe bans. So I just want to take you around and just show you what it's having a really bad effect on my garden and other people's gardens here in the UK. As you can see, everything's brown and dying. My white phlox is looking worse for wear. Just trying to save as much water as I can, so I'm not watering any of the main gardens. You see here, this is my crocosmia. It doesn't normally turn this brown till later on in the year. And these are my baskets. This is the first time I've watered these in 4 days, which has been heartbreaking, but you've got to do your bit for the environment. But this one looks like it's going to recover okay, this begonia planter. Then we have the two up here. This one, you get really good water this morning, so that is nice now. And, excuse me, up here, this one is really looking worse for wear. So that really just get a lot of sunshine. As we come down here, we have my dinner plate dailies. This is Cafe au lait, and these have been watered this morning. And then down here, some more Cafe au lait. So yeah, agapanthus here. This is Queen Mum. Here's my vertical planter. As you can see, the top one here, which gets most of the sunshine, has really dried out. Really looking a mess. But you have to do what you've got to do when there's a water shortage. You come down here, we have down here my agapanthus. These are ones grown from seed. These all need watering. Come back down here. This is my Achillea, cloth of gold that was called. Down here, beautiful marigolds with my petunias. Getting some more flowers off my dahlias there. And that's about it. I just hope they're on about us getting some rain in the next few days, which would be absolutely brilliant. Make everything perk up a little bit. Save me on my water bills, because I'm on a water meter, unfortunately. So yeah, that's just a quick whiz around my front garden, looking at my vertical plants, my hanging baskets. If you've got any questions about anything at all in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.